Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we will learn how to plot XY scatter chart in Microsoft Excel. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Let us begin. In this table, here we have company and sales. Company column will be x-axis, sales will be y-axis. Select both of them, navigate to Insert tab. In the Charts section, here we have this part. We are looking for the charts which have line, more scatter charts. Here we have line, and then OK. As you can see here, the chart is added. You can make it smaller, resize. Move to wherever you want. In the chart, as you can see, x-axis is company, y-axis is sales. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comment.